Seeing your hair accessories messed up or your earrings messed up is quite a usual scene in many houses. And this is because we haven't yet found or made the right organizer. Hey friends, in today's hack, I am going to show you how y'all can make a very simple organizer with a material that you would actually throw. So this is like a reusable thing, a recycled thing. And after doing this hack, I'm definite enough that y'all will be very happy. For those of y'all who are new out here, before I proceed with showing the hack, it's a sincere request to please click on the subscribe button and the bell notification icon so that you all do not miss out on any hack updates that I post on my channel. Most of us have seen this cardboard tube. Usually once the foil or the cling film is over, we are left with this kind of a cardboard tube. So you'll have to make use of this for placing your rubber bands so that they'll not go anywhere. They'll be all in one place. For those of y'all that remember, yes, this is the no stitch scrunchie. I'll attach the link above for those who haven't as yet seen this video. And in case if your rubber bands are loose like this, just twist it around twice and put it in there. If not, y'all can just leave it loose since there will be other rubber bands holding it from the other side. So this is a very simple way y'all can organize all your hair rubber bands in one place. Y'all do not have to keep on searching them. Y'all can just stick them sideways in your drawer in this way or keep them standing at one corner. All your rubber bands will be organized in one place. Now for the earring organizer, y'all will require the same rubber bands. In case if y'all have extra on another cardboard tube, just place a few of them in this position and keep them at a shorter distance like this. All y'all have to do is place your hanging earrings in this way on that rubber band. Now if you want to use the rubber ones, I would suggest not to, because after some time they tend to get sticky. So these material ones are good, the ones you all use for the hair. You all can adjust these bands as per the height you all require. For those of y'all who have a question about these kind of lock earrings, yes, y'all can place these kind as well on these bands. It's very easy. Just put them across the band in this way, rubber band in this way, and let them hang through. The same goes with the other one. Now the other questions from the people who have stud type of earrings. What y'all will do, the ones which have the screws. So for these kind, again it's very simple. Y'all must have seen these fat kind of bands that y'all get for hair. Yes, y'all will make use of them. And since y'all know that this stretches off very easily at the ends, this is what will make it easier for us. Just push through that pointed section into the rubber band and it goes through very easily. See, and there both of them. So let me know, what do y'all think? Doesn't it look very cute? Your earrings looked organized and y'all don't have to keep on searching for them. It's a very easy way to keep all your earrings in one place without having them messed up. Wasn't that hack simply amazing? I'm sure most of y'all must have not even thought, neither me till I had to come up with this hack, that actually cardboard tubes can be made in use with such a beautiful DIY organizer. Do let me know in the comment section how did y'all like the hack. For those of y'all who have any suggestions or hack requests, please do get in touch with me via the comment section or on my social media accounts. That's all on this episode. I'll see you next time with another new hack on How Hacks.